Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to send money on Kuda app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to send money using the Kuda Bank app, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Kuda Bank application. Then once you're inside here, simply tap on the sign in option on your screen, then enter in using your email address and then tap on sign in. Then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password, then tap on sign in to log in. If you have already set up your biometrics, simply enter using your PIN, your fingerprint or your face ID. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is on the bottom of your screen you'll find an option that says payments. Simply tap on that. Now once here you'll find an option that says send money right here. Simply select that as well. And then once done, you'll see options like to Kuda account, send to another Kuda user instantly, or to other banks, send to any bank in Nigeria. Then once you select the option, next is to enter your recipient details. If it's a Kuda user, select from your contact list in the app or simply type their Kuda account number. And if it's from other bank, enter the recipient's name, enter the bank account number, and then select the bank from the list. The next is to simply enter the amount, type the amount you want to send, and then you can also add a description which is optional by writing a short note to remember the transfer later. And lastly, all you gotta do is confirm and send by simply tapping on the continue or send option, and then confirm the details, and once confirmed simply enter your PIN to authorize, and the money will be sent instantly for Kuda to Kuda transfers or within minutes for other banks. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.